Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are staying safe. Welcome to English class. Let's read about Mr. Subhash Sharma. Mr. Subhash Sharma is a potter. Mr. Subhash Sharma is very nice and hardworking. Mr. Subhash Sharma makes very beautiful pots. These lines sound very monotonous and dull because of repetition of the noun Mr. Subhash Sharma. Let's read these lines. Mr. Subhash Sharma is a potter. He is very nice and hardworking. He makes very beautiful pots. Now these lines sound good as Mr. Subhash Sharma, this noun has been replaced by the word he. While we speak or write, we avoid repeating the same noun. So we use some other word, that is pronouns. Yes, dear children, today we are going to learn about pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Thus, pronouns are substitutes for nouns to avoid repetition. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of a sentence. Now we will learn about types of pronouns. There are three types of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns. The first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. A pronoun which stands for a person or a thing is called personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are of three types. Further, they are categorized into three groups, that is, first person, second person, third person. First person is the speaker, the person who is speaking. I, we, me, us are the first person pronouns. For example, I am going to school. Here, I is the first person. Second person is the listener, the person who is listening. You, yours are second person pronouns. For example, you come here. You is the second person. Third person is the person who is being talked about. He, she, it, they, him, her, them are third person pronouns. For example, is he not coming to attend the class? Here, he is the third person. Now we will learn about subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronoun does the action in the sentence. It means subject pronoun is the doer of the action in the sentence. For example, he drives the car. Here, the word drives is the action, or we can say it's a verb, and he is a pronoun, subject pronoun, who does the action. So, he is the subject pronoun. Object pronoun is the receiver of an action, the pronoun that receives the action. For example, I saw him today. Here, saw is the action, or we can say it's a verb. I is the doer of the action, which is subject pronoun. Him is the receiver of the action. So, the pronoun him is object pronoun. Subject pronouns come in the beginning of the sentence. I, he, she, it are singular subject pronouns. We, they are plural subject pronouns. Object pronouns come in the middle or at the end of the sentence. Me, him, her, it are singular object pronouns. Us, them are plural object pronouns. You is used both for singular and plural nouns as subject as well as object pronoun. For example, you are advised to eat fruits and vegetables. This advice can be given to a single child or many children. Second type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that can take the place of a noun to show ownership or possession. For example, this book is mine. That bag is his. Mine and his are possessive pronouns which show belongingness. Possessive pronouns usually come at the end of the sentence. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs are possessive pronouns. Third type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. Singular reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And plural reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, themselves. For example, I baked the cake myself. Here, myself is a reflexive pronoun. They do household chores themselves. Themselves is a reflexive pronoun. She did her project herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. Yes, dear children, today we have learnt about pronouns. Let's recapitulate. Pronouns are replacing words. They replace the nouns in a sentence. We did 3 types of pronouns, that is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. In personal pronoun, we have done 3 persons, that is first person, second person, third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener, and third person is the person who is being talked about. Possessive pronouns show belongingness, ownership, or possession. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns in which the subject and object are same in the sentence. Thank you, dear children.